This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Necrons in Dawn of War. Necrons are a unique faction, known for their relentless advance and ability to reanimate fallen warriors. Your core strategy should revolve around establishing a strong economy, primarily through power generators, and then leveraging your durable units to control the map. Remember, every fallen Necron can potentially rise again, making them incredibly resilient in prolonged engagements. This guide will help you master their unique mechanics. For your early game, begin by deploying 2 builder units. Have one construct your initial power generator, while the other starts on your Necron monolith. This foundational structure is crucial for unit production and defense. Immediately begin training Necron warriors from your monolith. These basic infantry units are your bread and butter for capturing and holding strategic points across the map, establishing your early presence and resource flow. Aim to control at least 3 points quickly. As you transition into the mid-game, focus on upgrading your primary Necron monolith. This upgrade path unlocks access to more formidable units such as Immortals, which boast superior firepower, and Destroyers, excellent for anti-vehicle roles. Simultaneously, expand your territorial control by constructing additional monoliths at key locations. Securing more resource points will significantly boost your power generation, allowing you to field larger armies and research advanced technologies more rapidly. Maintain constant pressure on your opponent. In the late game, it's time to unleash your most devastating forces. Deploy powerful units such as the Lord Destroyer, a formidable anti-vehicle and anti-infantry unit, or the terrifying Nightbringer, capable of inflicting massive area of effect damage. Concentrate your attacks on critical enemy structures, like their headquarters or production buildings, and eliminate their commanders. With your reanimating armies and overwhelming firepower, you can systematically dismantle their defenses and achieve a decisive victory on the battlefield. Good luck, Commander.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.